Welcome to Kaikini Bikini Studio. Hi, I'm Taryn, the founder, designer of Kaikini Bikinis. We specialize in custom-made swimwear. Each and every piece is made to our customers' measurements, and then we ship them all over the world. When I moved to Kauai over 15 years ago, I was obsessed with bikinis, but I couldn't find anything that stayed on in the waves and something that would not fall apart after 2 or 3 times wearing it. So I decided that I would make my own bikinis, but I had never sewn a day in my life, not even a button. So I spent my life savings on industrial sewing machine. I had about 8 to 10 employees working out of my home, and that was starting to get a little crazy. We decided to move to a warehouse down in Kapaa. We started making custom suits, and now we have found our niche. Recently, we added masks to our product lineup. October marks 10 years in business, but I wouldn't have made it this far without my incredible team. First, let's start with Luvi. She is our head seamstress and has been with me the longest.
Hi, my name is Luvi. I'm a senior seamstress here at Kaikini. I came from Florida as a military parachute seamstress.
Haley is our cutter.
Hi, my name is Haley. I cut every piece here at Kaikini from start. I love seeing the pieces after they're finished when I'm at the beach.
Michelle is our newest, and she helps us with the customer service emails, phone questions, wrapping, packaging, and everything behind the scenes.
Hi, my name is Michelle, and I manage the inside sales here at Kaikini. I actually do come from a fashion background. I studied fashion design at FITM in LA and worked out there for about 5 years. Now here I was surprised to find something within the fashion industry, especially somewhere that had manufacturing done.
We also have Sarah, who is our mask and accessory specialist. She makes all the masks, scrunchies, and bags.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I've been sewing my whole life. So when my husband and I moved back to Kauai, we started a family, and I was looking to get back into the sewing business, and that's when I realized Kaikini Bikini was here. And I was really excited because it's a full-on manufacturing production from start to finish with the product, and that's what I really thrive in, that environment. The thing I love about Kaikini is that you're part of a team, but you still have control and creativity over the projects that you work on.
There's lots of different directions that you can go within this company. So of course we have the production, and the manufacturing is the main thing. Manufacturing has historically been a huge part of Kauai's economy, starting in 1835 with the sugar mills, and then later with the pineapple canneries. Unfortunately, when Hawaii became a state, things started to change and those industries weren't doing as well until about year 2000, when the last of the sugar mills shut their doors. 10 years later, a whole different kind of manufacturing opened. That was when Kaikini opened in 2010. Even though we're a small manufacturing facility, we're actually Hawaii's largest swimwear manufacturer. There's a whole lot of Hawaiian bikini brands, but very few, if any, of the major brands are actually made here. So we are very proud to be Hawaii's largest 100% start to finish swimwear manufacturer. When COVID hit, I was faced with the hard decision of closing my doors and letting all of my employees go, or leaning into the challenge and pushing through. I believe perseverance and creativity are what keeps small businesses alive in the face of hardship. I hired double the amount of people. I put on a night shift. So we were working around the clock, 12-hour shifts to get masks out to our community. In less than 2 months, we were able to produce over 7,000 masks, and 1,000 of those were donated to our local hospitals. Since then, we've gone back to our regular production, where now we're back to making suits and masks, and we've made over 10,000 masks total. It's times like those that I'm most happy to be a small business manufacturing company, because I'm able to pivot quickly to help my community. Manufacturing in Hawaii has its challenges, but I decided that I could do it. I had to be more creative, and that was how I found that custom swimwear was going to be the thing that we do. Now that I've been around for 10 years, I think I've proven to myself and everyone that doubted me that manufacturing swimwear in Hawaii is possible. I knew I made a superior product, and I just needed a new way to sell it. We decided to change it up and go on Instagram with live auctions. We were able to engage with our customers in a totally different way. We were very fortunate to be able to do what we love in the place that we love to live.